Welcome to our channel. Learning Python for practical projects rather than just tutorials accelerates your progress and builds a portfolio that demonstrates real skills to potential employers or clients. Step 1. Install Python on your computer by downloading it from the official website and choosing an integrated development environment like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. Step 2. Learn fundamental concepts including variables, data types, loops, and functions by working through interactive tutorials on platforms like Codecademy or RealPython. Step 3. Practice basic syntax daily by solving problems on coding challenge websites like LeetCode or HackerRank, starting with easy problems. Step 4. Choose your first real project based on your interests, such as a web scraper, personal budget tracker, or simple game, ensuring it's challenging but achievable. Step 5. Break your project into small tasks by writing out all the features you need and tackling them one at a time, rather than trying to build everything at once. Step 6. Learn necessary libraries as you need them for your project, such as requests for web scraping or Pygame for game development, rather than trying to learn everything up front. Step 7. Search for solutions when you get stuck, using Stack Overflow, documentation, and tutorials, but always make sure you understand the code before copying it. Step 8. Build your second project using a different set of libraries and techniques to broaden your skills, perhaps a web application using Flask or data visualization with Matplotlib. Step 9. Share your projects on GitHub to build your portfolio, writing clear README files that explain what each project does and how to run it. Step 10. Join Python communities online to ask questions, see what others are building, and stay motivated throughout your learning journey. Your Python skills are now ready for real-world applications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.